If we're going to make a pie today, the first thing we need is our pie crust. No sodium pie crust recipe is a video on this channel. Please subscribe. Every Friday there's going to be a brand new low sodium recipe. Sometimes there's a little extra tip to help you keep that sodium low every day. Click on the bell. You'll get a little ding, let you know. Judy put another one out there. My pie crust is ready in my little pan. I'm preheating my air fryer to 400 degrees. We just want it hot when we put the pie in. Oh, a number of years ago I read that if you put your sugar and your cornstarch together and let it sit for a couple of minutes, if the sugar starts the cornstarch to do its thickening powers. I don't know if it works or not, but I make good pies, so that's what I do. But I put the cinnamon in here too. It's got 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I like to use frozen blackberries because sometimes I can't get real good ones at my store. 2½ cups in here with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Just stir the dry stuff in here with it. I'm going to pour it into my pie shell. Roll out another one for the top and spray it just a little bit with non-stick. Sprinkle some sugar on it. Cut some little slats in the top of it. We're going to have blackberry pie. Our pie has a top crust, sprayed just a little bit with non-stick, and it's got sugar sprinkled on it. Turn my air fryer temperature down to 320 degrees. In goes the pie. Use my sling. You can make any fruit pie that you like. Use the same process. You just have to measure how many cups goes in the pan that you're going to use, and then look at your recipe, how you usually make it. For apple pies, peel them. I'm going to core them and just chop them a little bit. You can slice them and then just give them a couple of little chops. Put your brown sugar and the things that you like in there. A little butter on the top. Bake it the same way. You still want to put the non-stick on the top. You still want to sprinkle it with sugar. And you still want to preheat that air fryer. If peaches aren't in season, use the frozen ones. I actually like the frozen blueberries better than fresh. Any of the fruits that you have quite a bit of juice in there, you probably want to put a little cornstarch in there. But you can make any fruit pie that you want to in your trusty little air fryer. 30 minutes in my air fry and this pie is gorgeous. When the pie gets cool, store it in the refrigerator if you have any left. Ready Whip and my store brand whipped toppings do not have any sodium. None of the ingredients in this pie have any sodium per serving. Low sodium, folks. Be real happy to get a pie that has no sodium per serving.